Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to forward an entire email thread in Gmail using Conversation View. This is incredibly useful when you need to share a complete discussion with someone new, keeping all the context intact in one go. First, head over to mail.google.com and sign in to your Gmail account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon at the top right of your screen and click on it. This opens your settings menu. From there, select See All Settings to access the full configuration options. You'll land on the General tab by default. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Conversation View. This feature groups related emails together as a single thread, making it much easier to follow discussions and forward them as one unit. Select Conversation View on, then scroll all the way down and click Save Changes to apply this setting. Now that Conversation View is enabled, click Inbox in the left sidebar to return to your message list. Find and click on the conversation or thread you want to forward to open it up. This displays all the individual emails within that discussion in a single view. At the top of the conversation, you'll see a toolbar with several options. Look for the More button represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with additional actions you can take on this thread. From that menu, select Forward All. This option is specifically designed to capture the entire conversation, not just a single message. It's the key difference between forwarding one email and forwarding the complete discussion history. A new Compose window will open. In the To field, type the email address of the person you want to send this thread to. If you'd like to add any context or explanation, you can type a comment at the top of the Compose box, just above the forwarded conversation. This helps the recipient understand why you're sharing this thread with them. Finally, click Send to forward the entire email thread. Gmail automatically includes any attachments that were part of the original conversation, so everything stays together in one forwarded package. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.